The issue is to have a joint enforcement between the counties themselves, because they have an enforcement department of the counties with the help of the police officers and the security team and NACADA to close these bars. Something I didn't even say earlier, which it's important for me to say, is that in part of the areas where there is proliferation of also adulterated alcohol or alcohol that is substandard or so, it can't happen without the collusion of also local security agencies. So there is usually a failure somewhere by the OCS or a chief or a national government official. So we have what we have done and what the IG has done is to reorganize to every other time to reorganize the police officers pursuant to the intelligence information that comes out from the citizens on those who are colluding with these unscrupulous business people to allow these adulterated alcohol to be sold, especially ethanol. So we are dealing with our own officers also. Some are being taken through disciplinary procedures. Some where we cannot really find clarity as to how they were involved are transferred or to go and perform other duties, especially those who we may not have proper evidence that they are committed something, but where there is laxity on their part, they can be redeployed to go and do something else. I guess we have answered those questions. On your question about security at the airport, the National Police Service is always alert to ensure that they protect our critical installation. The Jomo Kenyatta International Airport has a full-fledged commander in charge of all the airports in the country. He's based there, but also we have airport police that take care of our airports across the country. It's important for every citizen when they travel or they come back to observe the law, to observe the rules that apply in the use of our airport, and not just the airport, the roads, everywhere. Everybody needs to be observant in terms of the law. You are the one who has informed me that there is a heavy deployment. I was not also aware. But generally, police, even the IG doesn't have to know about a deployment in a particular place. The National Police Service is decentralized, and everybody will do their job unless they are seeking for specific requests from the IG that there is need for enforcement. The IG will be informed. But the IG generally, everybody everywhere, a police officer everywhere doesn't have to call the IG before they do law enforcement. They can do their job and report to the IG through the required channels. So I must assure Kenyans that National Police Service is always on alert to make sure that any person or any incident that is going to lead to breach of peace is addressed according to the law, so that Kenyans can continue pursuing their political or social or economic objectives in a peaceful environment. I'm very happy to be here. You know, this is my second home, so I'm around. Thank you very much.